Welcome to my channel. If you want to know how I was able to paint this $15 thrift shop art piece to match my room decor, then sit back, relax, and enjoy. I found this interesting art piece from the local thrift shop for $15. Even though it didn't have any colors to match my living area, I thought it would be fun to add my own colors. I decided to pick up some metallic colors from my local craft store. I've used these colors in the past and they work pretty well for me. I started out with a bronze metallic by Craft Smart. Although the color went on a little thin, I knew after a few coats I would have full coverage. Next, I decided to use the 24 karat metallic gold by Decor Art. I wanted to go with a darker color, so I decided to go with the Copper Curve by Folk Art. I decided to go with Rich Espresso by Decor Art. This color was absolutely beautiful and it had high pigmentation. The next color I chose was a beautiful metallic green by Folk Art. This color was highly pigmented and covered really well, so I wouldn't need to apply a lot of layers. To soften the colors up a little bit, I added some champagne gold. This teal topaz was definitely a beautiful color, and it added such a nice touch. After looking at all the colors coming together, I truly believe it came out absolutely beautiful. After adding this beautiful piece on my wall, I realized something still was missing. I decided to make some custom wall planters to complement the picture. If you're interested in knowing how I made and designed these wall planters, please click the next link. Thank you for watching Creative Designs with Regina. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you would like to see more content.